Hey everybody, day 70, Math with Grandma. Here's our riddle called In a Pickle. If you're in a fickle mood, pickles are the perfect food. Some are sour, some are sweet. Either way, they're good to eat. How many pickles in this bunch? Try subtracting in a crunch. Imagine 8 in every row. Just subtract and you will know. So if there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Hey, 16 and 16 are 32. But now I've got a group of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I had had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of 8, 6 times 8 is 48. But 2 of the rows were missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 48 minus 4 would be 44. 44 pickles in the jar. Yummy. Hamster Champs by Stuart J. Murphy, illustrated by Pedro Martin. About angles. Hamster Champs. Hamsters like to run on wheels. Gives them their exercise. The front door slammed, a car drove away. Pipsqueak poked her head out from under a pile of wood shavings. "We're on our own," she said. "Except for me," said Hector the cat. Cats would think hamsters look like food, like a snack. Like lunch. Ooh, he's licking his lips. "Stop that, Hector," said Chuckles. "Back off, Furface," said Mo. "Why are you always so mean?" said Pipsqueak. "There's nothing else to do when the people are gone," said Hector. "A cat has to entertain himself somehow." "What do you mean, nothing to do?" said Pipsqueak. "We're hamster champs and we got a brand new stunt." "Ha!" snorted Hector. "What kind of stunt can hamsters do?" "Well, we could show you," Pipsqueak said, "but we'll have to get out of the cage. So you'll have to promise not to chase us," said Mo. Hector thought for a moment. "All right, here's the deal. If your hamster stunt is good enough, I won't chase you. But if I get bored, watch out." "No way you'll get bored," said Pipsqueak. "Hamsters, let's go. Wait till you see what we can do, Fleabag," said Chuckles. Hamsters lifted up to the top of the cage and climbed out. This is a protractor. "I found the car," yelled Mo. "I found some blocks and a board that will work for a ramp," hollered Pipsqueak. "Come and help me with this thing," called Chuckles. "We'll need it to measure the angles." "It's called a protractor," Hector grumbled. "Don't you furry little snacks know anything?" The hamsters piled up some pillows into a hill. Pipsqueak placed the board so that one end was on the floor and the other was on top of some blocks. Then she carefully positioned the protractor so the center was at the point of the angle. 30 degrees, she announced. Whoa! The hamsters team carried the car up the hill of pillows. Then they started to run. Pipsqueak jumped in first. The car went faster. Mo was next, and then Chuckles landed right behind him. "Let's fly!" Howard. The car raced up for the ramp and soared into the air. Hector yawned. "You call that a stunt?" "It was just a warm-up. Watch this." Chuckles moved the ramp so the angle was steeper, and again Pipsqueak measured. The bigger the angle, the higher we'll fly. This is 45 degrees. So this was 30. This is 45. The team zoomed down the hill and into the air. "I've seen better, said Hector. Is that the best angle you can do? Watch and wait, said Mo. Mo moved the ramp to make an angle of 60 degrees. He wiped the sweat from his whiskers. That looks way too steep to me, he squeaked. We need the speed. We can do it. That's almost straight up. Straight up is 90 degrees. The hamsters charged down the hill and started up the ramp. The car went slower and slower and then rolled backwards all the way. Oh, rats, said Mo. Ha, said Hector. Prepare to be eaten. The pipsqueak leaped to her feet, dusted herself. We missed that one, but we're going to try it again at an even larger angle. Whoa. 90 degrees straight up. Chuckles and Pipsqueak scared it. Mo stared at Pipsqueak. Trust me, she said. Chuckles held the protractor. Pipsqueak started to lift the ramp. It went higher and higher until it was straight up, 90 degrees. That's a right angle like a wall, said Mo. We'll smash right into it. But Pipsqueak kept moving the ramp. Now the angle was larger than 90 degrees. Hector started to laugh, but Pipsqueak kept on going until the board was flat on the ground. 180 degrees, she yelled, and the hamsters ran to the top of the hill. A trick, said Hector snarled. That's not a ramp, it's a straight line. You wanted a bigger angle, and you got one, Pipsqueak yelled back. Hector crouched. He lashed his tail. He jumped, but the hamster sped down the hill faster than he expected. Hector plowed into the hill of pillows. Hamster alert! Pipsqueak yelled. Chuckles climbed onto Pipsqueak's shoulder. Mo jumped onto Chuckles. As the car sped past their cage, Mo leaped on top while grabbing Chuckles' hand. Pipsqueak held on to Chuckles' tail. The hamsters climbed right back into their cage and pulled the top tight. Chuckles said, Ha, Hector, you'll never catch the hamster champs.